very good morning to all the children of class 3 and welcome to your English literature class to the story The Curious Baby Elephant. Children, before I begin with today's video, I would like to clear certain things. Number 1, the video number 9, part 9, where question number 1 to 5 is being given. It is being uploaded, okay, 2 days back. It was a pending video, I can understand. So you people all got worried about it, and it's uploaded. Please check it. You will be able to get the answer. Yes, question number 3, it will be not elephant but crocodile, correct? And question number 6 to 10, which is the second part of this set of question number 6 to question number 10. Children, it is there in part 10, which is uploaded long back, I mean few days back. Parents, it's a request, please have the patience to search it. Those who have asked for it, I have given the link in the comment section also. Please check, and before checking, don't ask that ma'am, I don't have video number 10, but please, it's a request, check. You will be getting it, because since video number 9 was not uploaded, many of them asked me, I gave the video. But now when 10 is there already for a long time, please check it, you will get it, okay? It's a request. I have given the link also in the comment section. If any problem, please tell me, okay? So let's begin today. We have done question number 1 from the section B in page 49. Answer these questions with reference to context. Number 1, we have done reference to context, that is RTC. What I have told about RTC? RTC is nothing, it's very, very easy. That is, we pick up sentence from the story, then we write the answers. Like we have done in number 1, go grey, green, greasy Limpopo river. She said, you will find your answer there. So who said this to whom? Who said this? The Kolo bird said this. And to whom? To the curious baby elephant. So in this way, we answer the part questions. Now children, today we will be doing number 2 and number 3. That's it. Today we will be doing number 2 and number 3. So let's see. Number 2. He waited and waited, but nothing happened. A. Who waited and waited? So in the story, the curious baby elephant, the baby elephant waited and waited. Okay. Number B, what was he waiting for? He waited for his nose to shrink or to get back to his own shape, Number C, for how many days did he wait? He waited for 3 long days, right? Yes, so he waited for 3 days. Now, number 3, I think today I will begin with you. Who said this to whom? Yes, we all know the crocodile said this. So, in the story, the crocodile said this to the baby elephant. What was this a response to? Now, this was in response to the question about what the crocodile eat for dinner. Now the elephant asked, what do you have for dinner? This was the answer. That is, I think today I will begin with you, was the answer of that question. So number B will be, this was in response to the question about what the crocodile eat for dinner. Okay. Number C, what happened afterwards? After this, the crocodile began to pull the baby elephant by his nose. We have known this from the story, but he tried to save himself. So he kept so he started pulling himself back. So he tried to save himself. Who tried to save himself? The baby elephant tried to save himself. So he started pulling himself back. As a result, the elephant's nose kept stretching and stretching. So after this, the crocodile began to pull the baby elephant by his nose, but he tried to save himself, so he started pulling himself back. As a result, the elephant's nose kept stretching and stretching. So answer 2, I will repeat once more for you. He waited and waited, but nothing happened. A. Who said this? Who waited and waited? In the story, The Curious Baby Elephant, the baby elephant waited and waited. Number B. He waited for his nose to shrink. And number C. He waited for 3 long days. Number 3. That is A, B and C done. Number 3. A. Who said this to whom? I think today I'll begin with you. In the story, the crocodile said this to the baby elephant. Number B, who was this? What was this a response to? This was in response to the question about what crocodile eat for dinner. Whatever the baby elephant asked crocodile. Okay. Number C, what happened afterwards? After this, the crocodile began to pull the baby elephant by his nose. But he tried to save himself, so he started pulling himself back. As a result, the elephant's nose kept stretching and stretching. So children, question number 1, 2 and 3 from page 49 is done. It's over. Now I will give no more questions from this chapter. We will do only B and C from this Curious Baby Elephant. We will do make sentences and some true false filling the blanks. Who am I from in the next videos. Okay. So that's all for today, children. Have a nice day.